Cranes. They are the lifeblood of the construction world. Mobile cranes have revolutionized the ability to quickly mobilize and move around the job site. Telescoping cranes made popular by Manitowoc and Lieber have brought the industry to new heights and capabilities. As the crane industry grows, Cylinders Inc. will continue to grow with it. We pride ourselves on being able to service each and every style of crane cylinder. From outrigger to boom to the telescopic reaching cylinder, we can handle it all. There are two main types of mobile crane, first being the all-terrain crane, the second being a crawling crane. The large variations of these cranes share similar boom arm technology that is telescopic. Unlike a telescopic cylinder that needs to be filled with oil, a lock and retract telescoping arm is utilized to lift and extend to great heights and distances without the need of super heavy-duty cylinders. Cranes like these are typically one of the most important pieces of machinery on a job site, so downtime costs more than just money. It could cost a company its reputation. Preventative maintenance performed by Cylinders Inc. can keep downtime to a minimum. But if your crane has an emergency breakdown, you can count on us to get you back up and running the quickest, while still providing the excellent service and warranty everyone has come to know. For any crane cylinder-related questions, feel free to give Cylinders Inc. a call. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful info regarding your hydraulics. For Cylinders Inc., signing off.